family, this your girl Sean.
And it's your boy KC.
And you're watching Cruising on Vacay Mode.
And if you haven't checked out our live, get over there to our live. We go live every Sunday at 6 p.m. Central Time. And how you're going to be able to be notified is click that subscribe button. If you're cruise connoisseurs like we are and love to cruise and enjoy cruising, you know, well, come on by and we can be able to give you out some more tips. You know what I'm saying? Or even if y'all just want to hang out, you know, with the cruise family, come on by. But, you know what I'm saying, don't forget to subscribe and click the ding the bell.
So, Manny, we want to talk to you guys about what is the safety drill for, and can you miss it?
What is that mustard drill?
No, you cannot miss the mustard drill.
Not at all.
It can mean your life. The mustard drill is something that every guest and crew member have to attend. Everybody
has to check in. You know, you got to know where your boat is, where you're supposed to be, where you're supposed to be designated at in a case of emergencies.
So it's a quick and easy procedure. What I mean by quick, you're not going to be there for hours on end. It'll take about, what is it, maybe about 15, 20 minutes at the max.
And it depends on if everybody shows up on time.
So please show up on time so we don't have to wait for you.
You don't be the one that got overly drunk, where they got to come track you down in your room, you know what I'm saying, to get to the mustard drill. A lot of people oversleep.
So it is mandatory that you have to get there, and no, you cannot skip it.
Yeah, so don't be hiding in the bathroom because they're going to find you, because they go searching, because they got to check you in. And believe me, they have a tablet where they know that you didn't check in.
Definitely. So whatever you do, don't miss the mustard drill. It's for your safety, so you know where everything's at if there is an emergency.
Exactly.
So I hope this video was helpful. It's your girl Sean.
And it's your boy KC. And if you want to know more about this mustard drill and ask more questions, come on by our live every Sunday at 6 p.m. Central Time, you know what I'm saying, to ask us more questions about different cruise hacks or different cruise tips. If you want to know more, get on over there. But how you do that? Subscribe. All my cruise people, get over here and subscribe and click that and ding that bell. You know, and if you want to get a hold of me sooner, get over there to, you know what I'm saying, our Facebook page, you know what I'm saying, so we can be able to answer your questions.
All right, y'all. It's your girl Sean.
See you on Vacay Mode.
Bye now.